What's going on, everybody? Today, I want to do something a little different. No guest, no interview, just me talking about the journey. Because honestly, the last 8 months have been insane. 8 months ago, this didn't even exist. And now, it's the number one power broom for artificial turf in the country. And we didn't just sell a few, we're in resorts, the army, municipalities, turf professionals all over the country, dog boarding facilities, and the list just keeps going on and on and on. And what's really crazy is even Tiger Woods TGL has one, and they love it. I've been in the artificial turf industry for over 20 years, and I didn't just get into it by accident. I got into turf because I saw a problem. Growing up around eastern New Mexico, I watched drought destroy landscapes. People were pouring, hard-earned money into their yards that just couldn't survive. And I remember thinking, there has to be a better way. That's what led me into artificial turf. It's not just a product, but it's a solution. But there was another side to it too. And because I've always loved golf, and I just didn't want to play it, I wanted to build it. So years ago, I had the opportunity, and I built the first golf course, artificial turf golf course in the United States on the rim of the Palo Duro Canyon in Amarillo, Texas, for a community called River Falls. Then, as soon as I got that built, the city of Clovis, New Mexico wanted me to build one for them. And so then I realized it creates an experience. It's a lifestyle, it's innovation. So fast forward, I'm installing turf all over the place, homes, facilities, high-end projects, and I kept running into the same issue over and over again, and that was maintenance. There wasn't a tool specifically built for artificial turf that actually worked the way it should. Everything felt like a workaround, and that's when it hit me. If nobody else is going to build the right tools, then I will. So that's how Turf Product Solutions was born. We didn't set out to just build another tool. We set out to build something better. Something designed by turf professionals for turf professionals. And that's where the battery-powered broom came in. Now here's the crazy part. In just 8 months, this has become the number one battery-powered broom for artificial turf in the country. 8 months. Let that sink in. We've got, like I said, the resorts using it, U.S. Army for their PT areas, municipalities, schools, turf professionals, dog boarding facilities, and the list keeps going. But then something happened that really hit different. The TGL group bought one. And not only did they buy it, they absolutely love it. So I got to go out there and see the facility and meet Tanner, who has this thing dialed in perfect. And I'm telling you, this place is incredible. So standing there, looking at what they've built, that was a full circle moment for me, because over 20 years ago, I was just getting started in the industry. And now our products are being used at one of the most advanced golf facilities in the world. To me, that is wild. And I think the reason we've grown so fast is simple. We're not guessing. We're not engineers trying to figure out turf. We are turf guys who built the tool we always needed. Everything we create is designed specifically for this niche market. And that's what sets Turf Product Solutions apart. And guys, we're just getting started. We've got multiple products in R&D right now, and we're very close to bringing them on the market. Our newest addition is the FiberLift Pro, and installers are going to love this one. And it'll be here in about 3 months. So stay tuned, because it's just going to be amazing. If you're listening to this and you're building something, just know this. You don't need permission. If you see a problem, go build the solution, because that's exactly what we did. And 8 months later, we're leading the category. So as always, I appreciate you all listening. And like I said, we're just getting started. Let's go.